can always see the night.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another Today in the studio, we actually got some heat for y'all. I'm gonna be showing you the best way to curve your brim. I do have this Fear of God fitted, which I actually picked up recently. They're in stock in a lot of places. Hey, if you still don't have one like me and feel like this is something you want to add to your collection, make sure you guys check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and link some down below. I'm probably gonna go ahead and pick up another colorway myself. I did get this in the navy colorway. I do have a lot of fitteds in black, so I decided to go with the navy one, and this one is beautiful. Let's go ahead and take all the tags off. It does have a green brim as well. So now we have the fitted. On the inside, you do have some tags, obviously. You got the MLB tag, size tag right there, more New Era branding, and then you got the Fear God Essentials branding right there as well. The top on this one is in the same color as the hat. That's kind of the reason why I decided to go with this color right here. For some of the colors like the orange, the blue, and the bright green, this is white, and I don't know how I feel about that shit, to be honest. So I decided to go ahead and get the navy blue. Let's go ahead and try this hat on just like this and see how it fits. This is a 7 3/8 and it fits pretty good, you feel me? Like, I feel like my head is the perfect size for this hat, but once I curve the brim on this, it's gonna be even better. So I'm excited for that. I love the fact that it's a navy hat and not black. I actually really do love that. There's a bunch of different ways that you can go ahead and curve the brim on a fitted. One of them is literally just doing this a lot. One of the ways is literally by doing this, but you want to make sure that you don't do it too hard, because you can literally snap the brim. On the inside there's a cardboard, and if you bend it too hard, it'll snap and it'll always have a line on the actual brim. That's something you don't want to do. It'll literally have a fold wherever you snap it, so you got to be careful with that. The method I'm gonna show y'all today is actually one of my favorite methods, and it's simply using rubber bands. So today I'm gonna just put some rubber bands on the brim. I'm gonna show you guys in a second, and it's gonna go ahead and tighten it up just like this. And once you take the rubber bands off after a couple hours, or honestly you can leave it for like 8, 12, the longer you leave it, the more curvy it's gonna be and the longer it'll stay intact. But remember, it's literally rubber bands. I'm about to show y'all the easiest shit in the world, and it leaves your brim with some style. You're gonna want to take the rubber band, go ahead and put it on the brim, obviously. Put it from one end to the other. Start at the bottom like that. Get another rubber band. Do the same thing again, but do it a little bit higher this time. And as you can see, it's already picking up some type of shape, but we do need some more. So we're gonna go ahead and get some more rubber bands. So as you can see, I put 4 rubber bands, and it's just holding it together in a tight position, because you don't want to be holding it for too long, you know? So just let the rubber bands do the work, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all once the process is somewhat done what it's gonna look like. After a couple hours, I'm probably just gonna take it off, finish the video. But that's honestly the easiest way you can go ahead and curve your brim. Literally just get you some rubber bands, curve it a little bit while you're putting the rubber bands on there. You do kind of want to make sure these are even, just like this. I'm telling you, it's gonna look fire once it's done. So honestly, it's been a couple days and the hat has had the rubber bands on it for a minute, so this shit gonna stay like this forever, bro. Like, I'm about to take these rubber bands off. We gonna go ahead and uncurve it a little bit. Let's do the reveal for y'all. It's been literally like 3 to 4 days, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I literally gave myself a haircut and everything, bro. Right here, let's go ahead and take this off. As y'all can see, it got that curviness to it. Let's swap the fitted and see what's up with it. Oh, this shit is hard. Yeah, this shit definitely feels way better like this. Like I said before, I did curve the brim for like 3 to 4 days. I procrastinated to finish this video, but as you can see, this hat is perfectly curved. As soon as I put it on my head, it just fits perfectly. So honestly, I would recommend you to go ahead and get some rubber bands and put it across your brim. If you're not gonna use the hat, might as well leave leave it on there for like a day or two and it's gonna secure that shape forever. Trust me, bro. You might have to go ahead and curve it a little bit like this, but that's normal after wear. Personally, this is my favorite way to go ahead and curve a brim on a fitted. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let me show y'all the little close-up vibes. As you can see right here, the brim is like on some baseball player. See the vibes? Come on, it's literally perfect. I'm trying to tell y'all, it works every time. You don't even have to do nothing. Like, y'all saw it. I literally left it there for like 3 to 4 days, came back, just took them off, put the hat on my head, and it's perfectly curved right in the middle. Like, I don't have to do anything to the hat, but you should make sure that when you put the rubber bands on it, it's equal on both sides. It's kind of like symmetrical. That way it doesn't have like a weird bend to it. Put the first one around here at the top and then just layer it down, but make sure that it's straight. That way there's no weird curve on your brim. But this is the best way to go ahead and curve your fitted brim. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is the drip. Look, I literally took it off, put it on my head, and it's perfect. Like, stop playing. Look at the curvy brim. But with all that being said, make sure you guys go ahead and slap a like on this video if you did enjoy. If it did help you, make sure you show somebody who likes wearing fitteds this video. It's super simple, but subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and do not forget to subscribe. Come on, bro, join the fam. We about to glow up soon. Like, just make sure you go ahead and subscribe. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.